What is up, guys? Welcome back to Simple Builds. This is episode 4 of the Honda Civic K-Swap build. As you saw last episode, the team did an awesome job of creating an episode for you guys. We could only get one episode out while I was away because of parts delays, but we're ready to get back and start cranking away on this thing and starting to finish it up. It is coming along really nicely. Ready to get back and start cranking away on this thing and get it ready to give it away to one of you guys. And I'm really excited to announce that Free Dare is hooking us up with an electric bike to give away to one of you guys. The way to get entered is joining the motor club. That's gonna get you entered into winning this K-Swap, get entered into winning this electric bike. That should be going for only about a week, that giveaway. So that thing will be coming to one of you guys really soon. Super awesome bike. So we got a lot of progress to make in today's video on this Civic, so let's jump right into the work.
We're gonna start putting on and assembling the motor and getting it ready to go in. We're gonna put the transmission on, mount that up, and keep going. This Free Dare bike. These guys sent this out to me. This is a fat tire version, electric bike. Super excited about this thing. Cannot wait to give it away to one of you guys. But first, let me show you a little bit more about it. So this thing is super dope. It has a bunch of cool features like smart app control, so you can control stuff through an app. I'll show you that later. It has smart mobile alerts from the app, like pop-ups, notifications, even SMS notifications. It has an anti-theft system built in. It also has a multi-terrain cycling test, so I'll show you guys a little bit more about that. You can take this thing on-road, off-road, whatever you want. And this thing goes like 30 miles per hour, I think 28 to be exact. So super fun. Let me ride it around a little bit and show you a little more about the features. Like I said, this thing goes like 28, I think. So we're gonna test it right now. Let's see, and then I think I can show you guys the max speed. Yeah, I can show you the max miles per hour. So we're gonna test it out right now, full speed run. This thing kind of rips too. Tuck in, bend the knees. We didn't have a long enough run up, but from here to the end, by the garbage cans to the end, 23 miles per hour. That is pretty fast. Throw the GoPro on the head mount, show you guys a little bit more about this bike, go for a quick ride, have some fun, tell you more about what you could win. This thing is super dope. Super stoked about this thing.
Let's go up here. Oh. Off-road, no problem. Up and in. Come down. Look at that, suspension is seriously no joke. It's actually fast, I'm kind of scared. We're gonna go test the top speed run over here, all off-road. Super fun. This thing is so much fun. Let's see if we can catch up to one of these cars. But we can definitely catch up to this crappy little AutoZone car. Probably, maybe not. We could probably pass him. We could probably pass him. We're gaining on him. We're gaining on him. Come here. Come here. Come here, you little. No, he's getting away. He's getting away. 28. We hit 28. 28.2. Oh, there's dust in my eyes in that truck. Ooh. Little bunny hop. Oh, look at this off-road. Oh my God, look at this thing. Man, this would be a sick jump if I actually wanted to jump this thing, but I don't, because I don't want to break it before it goes to one of you guys. I think sweet though. I like that. It's an S line, so it's an S something. Ooh, jump that little curb, no problem. Hit the gas. Oh, we're back up, just like that. This thing is sick. Ooh, pulling out my next car for me. Thank you. You get the AMG GT63. This thing is nuts. Satin black. What's up, bro? How are you? It's the Holy Grail. Oh my God. What's up, bro? How are you? Beautiful day. Work to be done. Money to be made. What more could you ask for? Make sure you guys get entered now. This is the next giveaway. It is here. This electric mountain bike by FD Free Dare. See if we can get some air. Oh, I think I got the front tire up and not the back. Oh, that was a little one. Confirmed, it jumps. That's so fun. Oh, that was a good one. So we just got back from the initial test. This thing is super fun, confirmed. I love this bike already. It's gonna be hard to give it away. It can go up to 90 miles with the pedal assist. Some of the app features, like I mentioned, I'm gonna show you now. We have the speed limit. You can do 3 riding modes. You can like lock it down. You have anti-theft mode and then GPS tracking. So super cool. I'm gonna show you guys on the app. The Free Dare app, you can see your bike on there. It says 91%, and you can find my bike, you can lock it, bike detection, then go to your profile. It has all your stuff in there. So you can see it's right there next to me on my map. Super cool feature. Then we're gonna try out this lock button right here. Click lock, it says locking. All right, bike is locked. It'll send an alarm to your phone. There's the email and the text message. E-bike has moved. Huge shout out to my friends over at Free Dare for hooking us up, hooking you guys up with this electric bike. Make sure to check out the link in the description, Simple Motor Club. To get to the sign up link for the Motor Club, you can check out simplebuilds.shop. Right, our friends over at Tires Mobile Service are here to get the new tires on these things. That's why I oversprayed on these. So let's open it up and let them do their thing. All right, tires Sky just took off and we are now left with the new tires. We got some Falcon Sincera 195/55 R15, same size that came off, but brand new tires for you guys. So these things should be able to grip up nicely and obviously perform well and be safe for you guys on the road. So wanted to make sure that that was taken care of. So now that we got the new tires on there, we're gonna throw these back on, but probably not in this episode. That's gonna be a wrap for this one. I know we didn't get as much done as I quite wanted to, but I still wanted to get an episode out for you guys. So let me know if you wanna see less uploads, but more jam-packed stuff in them, or would you wanna see an upload like this, where we got a lot done still, but not quite as much as I would like. Guys, jump in and get entered. It's gonna be about a week from now that I'm gonna choose the winner of this e-bike giveaway from Free Dare. So thank you for supporting. The only way to get entered into this giveaway is through the Simple Motor Club. That's gonna be linked down below. Thank you to Free Dare for sending out this bike. Appreciate the support. And you can get entered by buying anything on the site, and you can get 400 bonus entries into the giveaway to win this K-Swap Civic when it is done. So thank you guys so much for your support. Appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Leave a comment down below. Hit that like. Let me know what you thought. And I will see you guys in the next one.